What's up, Internet? My name is JT and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, alam nyo na yung una natin gagawin ay shoutouts! So yung mga isi-shoutout natin for today's video ay sina Jamaica May Mipa, Princess Mia Navarro, Arel Calaor, Sabrina Chanel, Rodessa May Paez, Nicole Ramoso, Angelina Lucero, LJ Tavas, Jecon Perido, Carla Paris. So, thank you po sa inyong lahat. And sa gustong magpa-shoutout dyan for the next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So, a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a tutorial of this song. So, wag na natin patagalin yung intro na to. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Buwan by J.K. Labajo. So the first thing that you should do in order to play the song is that you have to tune your ukulele in the standard tuning. Alam nyo na yan, G, C, E, A. And that is the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles. And you need to learn 6 basic chords on the ukulele, and these chords are super basic lang. Ayan. So for the first chord, this is the chord of Cmaj7. So just put your index finger or your middle finger here on the first string, 2nd fret. And then we have the chord of D7, so just put your index, middle, and 4th, and then your pinky finger should be placed here on the first string, 3rd fret. Or you can also bar the entire 2nd fret and then put your middle finger here. That is still the same, D7. Okay, and then for the 3rd chord, we have the chord of G. Super basic lang ng G. So yung G, tandaan nyo na yung itsura niya is parang naka-V. Ayan. And then for the 4th chord, we have the G7. So, yung G7 ay yung kabaliktaran ng G. So, kung ang G ay yung itsura niya ay parang V, yung G7 ay A. Okay? So, index, middle, and 4th. That is the chord of G7. And then we also have the chord of C. Just put your index finger here. So, di ba kanina yung C major 7 ay andyan, yung C ay just below it. And then, for the last chord, we have the chord of D. Just put your index, middle, and 4th. Atong tatlo. So, di ba kanina yung D7 may pinky finger, but for the chord of D, atong tatlo lang. So, for the strumming pattern, ito lang yung pinaka-basic na naisip ko for this tutorial. And I guess this would be an advantage to those beginners who's watching this video right now. So, for our strumming pattern, it is a down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Then you have to repeat that strumming pattern twice per chord. So for the strumming of the verses and the chorus, it is a down, 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 up, down, up. Ayan, na-mention ko na yan kanina. And then, for the first 2 down strums ng strumming pattern, ito lang yung sinastrum ko, yung 4, 3, and 2 na strings. Ayan. Tapos sa down, up na part, i-include ko na tong first string. So may ganito siya. Down, 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 up, down, up. And kung napapansin nyo, naririnig nyo, taring, taring. That is because of the additional string. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then for the first 2 down strums, yung down, down, parang soft pa lang siya. Soft na pabigla. Tapos sa down, up, i-ano mo siya, mas lagyan mo siya ng force para mas malakas yung down, up na part. So, down, 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 up, down, up. So this time, alam na natin yung strumming pattern. So the next thing that we will do today is that sasabay natin siya ng pagkanta. So for the chord progression, it is basically a C major 7, D7, G, and then G7. And then you just have to repeat that chord progression for the verse 1, chorus, and then the same with the verse 2. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ako'y sayo, ikaw ay akin. Sa paningin, ako ngayo'y nag-iisa. Sana'y tabihan na sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. Ayokong mabuhay ng malungkot. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya. Makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo'y umiga sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. So, dito sa bridge, ito yung part na ate yung ganda. Yun yung part na yun. So, for the first two lines of the bridge, yung strumming pattern natin is different sa ginawa natin kanina. So, this time, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Napaka-common, diba? So, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka madalas kong ginagamit na strumming pattern sa mga covers and tutorials ko. So, ayun. Again, down, down, up, up, down, up, and then lipat to the next chord. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. The same thing. Ayan yung for the first two lines ng bridge, and then sa part na at kung babalik dito sa akin, yung gagawin natin dyan ay parang puro down strums lang siya. Tapos yung first chord natin dyan is Cmaj7. So yun, demo ko muna siya. At kung babalik dito sa akin, ikaw ang mahal, ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Tapos, sa part na pakinggan ang puso, damdamin, damdamin, aking damdamin. So, sa part na yun, yung last two lines, babalik na naman tayo sa down, down, up, down, up, the same with the first two lines of the bridge. So, let's take a closer look dito sa bridge na strumming pattern. So, as I have said earlier, for the first two lines and the last two lines ng bridge, yung strumming pattern natin is a down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, to do that strumming pattern, ito dapat yung kamay natin. Tapos, for the down strums, you just have to strum it like this using the nail of your index finger. And then, for the up strums, just use your thumbnail. So, down, down, up, down, down. Okay? So, again, down, down, up, down, up. And then, after the strumming pattern, do it again with a different chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then that is for the bridge na first two lines, and then the same with the last two lines. So dito sa third line ng verse, yung at kung babalik dito sa akin, yung strumming pattern natin dyan ay mostly down strums, but we have a down, up, na transition from one chord to the next chord. So, ayan. So, yung first chord natin dyan is Cmaj7. So, yung strumming pattern natin ay magiging ganito. Down, 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 up, tapos lipat. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo, parang pinipress ko din yung mga chords dito sa fretboard. Ayan. Down, 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 up, tapos D, down, 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 up, down, 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 Tapos, sa line na pakinggan ang puso't damdamin. So, di ba, na ano na natin yan kanina, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, let's try to sing the bridge. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang iyong ganda last chorus, 'di ba, yung strumming pattern lang natin kanina sa first and second chorus is down, 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 up, down, up. But for the last chorus, gagamitin natin na strumming pattern ay yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, mayayari dito, damdamin aking damdamin sa ilalim ng puting ilaw sa dilaw na buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. Ayan. So that is for the last chorus. Yung gagamitin natin na strumming pattern again is yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up for the last chorus. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!